Ultra films in the house, baby. We brought them from Jersey to come to Puerto Rico, take some pictures of us for our engagement. And we had a blast yesterday in Old San Juan. And this is the first that I really get to actually record. So this is it. It's beautiful. And we're having a great time. Made it. Hey guys, so we are currently here in Zoni Beach in Culebra, Puerto Rico, and you know, we're gonna continue our photo shoot here for the engagement. And we have a photographer right here.
You know, they asked me to come global. They brought me breakfast too. What more could I ask for?
You hear the waves over there. The waves are strong. And it's a beautiful place for beautiful pictures. Here's my future wife, dog in a sandwich. There's my dad. He's also here. And yeah, let's go check this out.
Este amor en un verso es algo muy difícil de explicar. Como el Señor te trajo a mí, yo no entiendo.
What a gorgeous, beautiful beach. Zoni Beach, Culebra, Puerto Rico. Look at this. It's picture perfect, like a postcard. And we have, if you look this way, that's Culebrita. Another beautiful island that you can actually go to. They have charter service. You have to basically get on a boat and it will take you there, water taxi. And you can see St. Thomas from there. So we're really close to St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands. So it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I would recommend anybody to come here. Woo! Just left that beach back there. Look at that beauty. Amazing. So we stopped here at the Culebra Museum, El Museo de Culebra. It's closed, but it's a beautiful place to take pictures. We just took a couple of pictures here for our engagement shoot, and you guys will see them eventually. So check it out.
Le pregunté qué es el amor a un jíbaro puertorriqueño. Me dijo, ven, hijo, oye bien, no olvides esto. Amor está el corazón, sin esperar a cambio nada. Es ver tu piel envejecer cerca de la mujer amada. Luego en tus hijos verás el más grande amor. Ama a tu pueblo, ama a tu Dios y a tu nación.